In life, beautiful things take time. I've always known you'd grow up to be strong. The most beautiful things begin with the smallest seed. And with persistence, anything is possible. I knew you'd bloom through struggles and challenges because I believe in you. With each new chapter, you discovered that every day is a new day. To create beautiful things and to grow to new heights. I'm so proud of who you've become. May this new season hold wonderful new experiences. Start your monthly subscription to Paper Pumpkin by Stampin' Up! Today by talking to your demonstrator or by visiting paperpumpkin.com.